beauty factor. Gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter. We'll make it happen after, not before I spice up.
Hey guys, this is Juvia's Place IPREP, IPRIMER, and it's in shade 2. Alright guys, on to the video.
Concealer and a pencil, get them brows intact. Some brushes, eyeshadow, yeah, I'm loving that. Primer for that face, ayy, to keep that beat all day, ayy. Even if you sweat, your glow gon' still pop today. Foundation, highlight, contour, girl gonna get right. And don't forget them lashes, cause girl, I know you sassy. Set that face, lastly, spray, that's it.
Hey guys, I decided to bring back Huda Beauty Obsession palette. I hadn't used it in a while. I only used it one time. So I decided to bring it back to show y'all guys this look that I'm doing now. Alright guys, on to the video. I hope you enjoy.
Girl, where you going? You forever late to something. Just mind your business. Just mind your business, okay? And ain't. Nah, but for real though, where you going? I have an appointment to get my makeup done. Oh, word? By who? Extreme Beauty Factor? Duh. Who is that? Is she any good? Girl, what? You ain't know? Well, let me tell you. Wait, hold up. It's the Extreme Beauty Factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more. She slayed them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for.
Hey guys, everything that I use will be in the description box below. Alright guys, love you.
Make it worthwhile, she will make sure you looking fly. With that highlight and big lashes on your eye. My favorite part is when she hit the slow-mo. I just love the way that her soul glows. Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning. Wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning and waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to
like 100 years ago. Life was easy then, or is it just the way the mind works? We look so bold, like the winners of the league. Don't you know we had it all those summer days? I wonder where you are and if life is good to you. Have you kept your copy from the photo booth that day? Time is a thief, it works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there, those summer days. The smell of rain on the pavement brings me to that afternoon. The way you laughed in the pouring rain. Time is a thief, it works fast when you look away. What I'd give to go back there, it was you and me. Don't you know we had it all those summer days? Those summer
here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.